Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Fisker up 50% today. Why? What's going on? Well, we can tell you what's going on. At least we can tell you what's going on. If you smash the like button, leave a comment, remember, below, and I'll reply to it. Not for me, of course, but for the little fellas and the little ladies. Have you smashed the like button? Have you done that? You done it? Okay, you want to know what's going on? Of course you want to know what's going on. Let's get straight into it. Fisker, we got some news to share with you. Is it one last ditch attempt for everyone to get and trade their stocks, get out? Is it false information, a pump and dump? You decide. I don't know. All I can do is bring you the facts, the information as they are. Remember, I'm not in the stock. I only own the S&P. I'm just here to help and give the information. Fisker tells employees that 4 automakers are in talks to buy the struggling startup. Doesn't mean anything really, but we're going to give it to you anyway. Henrik Fisker held an all hands with a Fisker employees on Thursday. This is just a few minutes ago. Fisker is in talks with 4 automakers for possible acquisition, according to CEO Henrik Fisker. Fisker's CEO held an all hands with staff on Thursday. What does that mean? That means everyone came together today trying to support the company, let them know. Now we've got to remember, that's great, could be great. However, it could be just a way for some people to get a pop, buy the dip, get the news out, make 50%. We don't know. The company has warned it could go out of business this year. Not this year, within the next 20 days, it could be bankrupt. So let's just be absolutely clear what we're talking about. Fisker told staff during an all-hands meeting on Thursday, a few minutes ago, that the company was in talks with the automaker for a potential buyout. According to a recording of the event viewed by Business Insider, we still have some time to get other offers on Fisker, he told staff on Thursday, just a few minutes ago. We do have 4 car companies that have signed NDAs. However, they obviously need time to get to some diligence. Okay, the company did not specify who the 4 automakers were or how long it could take for the companies to complete due diligence as they work towards a potential agreement. Just put out a warning, guys. This is great potentially, but it could simply be an opportunity to pump the stock. A few people buy it on the news. I mean, let's be honest. Henrik Fisker himself could have bought that at 2 cents today, take it to 6 cents and sell it, get some money out. Seriously, guys, you've got to consider that. Get some news out like this. You can make a lot of money very, very quickly. If you've got a few $1,000,000, I mean, you can make $1 million here in seconds and it actually come to nothing. Just bear that in mind. A deal with a major automaker that was rumored to be Nissan fell through earlier this year. The CEO told his staff on Thursday that the company has been working with Deutsche Bank to find a buyer. One offer to buy the company hadn't been sufficient, he said, according to the recording. Okay, the all-hands meeting comes 2 days after Fisker warned investor it could seek bankruptcy protection within 30 days. That's what I was talking about. If it could not shore up liquidity. The company said in the regulatory filing that it had just $54 million in cash equivalent as of April 16th and believes that its available liquidity will not be sufficient to meet its current obligations. Okay, I think that's all there is for the minute. Yes, there's nothing else coming through there. So just bearing in mind, it does sound like what it is. Actually, it's no news at all. I want to be absolutely blunt here. It is a recording. It's what was said at a meeting. But quite honestly, Henrik Fisker has gone bankrupt before. We hope this is a good thing, but it could simply be an opportunity for people just to trade out of the stock. Who knows? Who knows? There it is. Henrik Fisker. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Is this one last ditch attempt to get out of the stock? Well, we just don't know. It could be about to explode. There's the missile on the board. What do you think? We are looking up. We are looking up and thinking, is it about to explode? I don't know. A lot of stress, a lot of drama. Is it about to implode, explode? Only time will tell. So do your due diligence, work it out for yourself, decide what to do. But if you are going to buy this, just remember, it might not end well. Do you want to chase it now? I don't know. Nobody knows. It's a stress. It's a worry. But there it is. Click above my head for more information down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put more information as it's available. Don't chase it. My advice would be not to chase it. If you're already in, take your profit. Remember, nothing wrong with paying $5 for the stock if it's going to 10. Just as good as buying it from 2 and taking it to 4. Remember, it's about percentages, not the value. Remember that. Percentages, not the price. It doesn't matter. Don't chase it now. If the news is great, you can buy it at $1, take it to 2. Buy it at 2, take it to 4. Click above my head, down below, over here and over here. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.